Hello everyone, my name is Maria Alejandra Vargas. I am studying industrial engineering and that activity corresponds to the course of valuation and negotiation of technology. Step 3, identify technology value. Okay. Then I am going to describe the synoptic table of little knowledge of valuation methods by technology managers in charge of the process. Some of the causes are lack information or little practice in the use of valuation. Financial and market information is neither accurate nor of high quality. For a viable research that considers a contextual process perspective. Technology maturity. Identity of the people who want to obtain this value. The consequences of these are methods cannot be applied. Interpretation of the data obtained does not lead to positive results. This is the why a TTO office or technology managers is faced with an assessment of the technology process. Okay, and two recommendations to face the difficulty defined in the synoptic table are: 1. The TTO manager and their respective staff need to have the knowledge of the technology evaluation method, understand the technology value, and master industrial developments and market trends to avoid all the problems mentioned in the table above. 2. To face this difficulty, specialist personnel are needed to carry out technological and competitive surveys that facilitators obtaining technical, market, economic, and regulatory information, as well as the identification of possible technology licenses. Okay, thank you so much for your attention.